How to make money on YouTube is one of the hottest topics. Practically anyone would like to use YouTube to make money, but at the same time, a few people are willing to do whatever it takes to earn money using YouTube. In this video, I want to share with you 3 methods to earn money thanks to YouTube that every beginner can exploit by sharing free valuable content that people want to watch. At the same time, I want to be genuine and honest with you, as always, by explaining some important things you need to know before thinking about making money on YouTube. My name is Max Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Before speaking about the 3 lucrative methods to make even tons of money using YouTube, you have to be familiar with 3 crucial concepts. Concept number 1. Getting views and subscribers. If you start from scratch on YouTube, as I did exactly 5 months ago, you have to be patient. Getting views and subscribers takes time, and the essential word you have to become familiar with is this one: consistency. Making money on YouTube is not a joke. For sure, it is an opportunity available to anyone, but it's not for everyone. And here is why. A few people are willing to do whatever it takes to earn even $30,000 a month on YouTube. Everyone wants to be successful, but very few people have the energy, the consistency, and a very big reason why to not quit when things are getting tough. I'm not talking about making videos. I'm talking about how you will react when your mind tells you something like this: Max, you have to quit. It's too difficult for you. You can't achieve big results. Yes, it happened to me and is part of this entrepreneurial journey. I don't want to discourage you, but if you think getting views and subscribers to make money with YouTube is easy, you are not in the right place. For sure, you can make tons of money using YouTube ads by promoting your product or service, but it's not the topic of this video. Concept number 2. Publishing schedule. You need an editorial plan. You can't start publishing 1 video today, 1 video next week, and another 2 videos in the next 14 days. No, it won't work. I told you, making money on YouTube is not a joke. At the same time, it is not so difficult. The problem is that people want to get fast results for yesterday. Obviously, I'm exaggerating a bit, but if you refuse to share high-quality videos that help your target audience solve their problems, you won't succeed on YouTube. At the same time, every one of us has a defined posting schedule. For instance, some YouTubers post 1 video per day, others post 3 videos per week, others post only 1 video per week. In my case, I post 5 long videos per week and 7 short videos per week. I know perfectly it's not easy, but I'm 100% committed to creating my international presence for 2 main reasons. Number 1, I'm here to stay for the next 20 years minimum. Number 2, I want to impact millions of people. Concept number 3. Quality or quantity? Do not forget that I share only what I believe in. I think posting a video with the sole purpose of posting it without having a real interest in helping people fix a specific problem doesn't make any sense. Let me be very clear. YouTube is the 2nd search engine in the world. People are actively looking for solutions. I prefer posting 1 good video per week instead of 3 banal videos that won't help anyone. You don't have to post something you want or like, but you must share information your target audience is looking for. Otherwise, no one will watch your videos. Here is the thing. Before asking someone to buy something, you have to provide value without expecting anything. Just focus your attention on giving something valuable to your audience. With that said, let me share with you 3 methods to make money on YouTube. Method number 1. YouTube monetization program. Most probably, this is the most known method for making money on YouTube, and at the same time, is the method that requires more time and effort. The more views you get, the more money you can make, and it's easy to understand. Indeed, if you want to earn money thanks to the YouTube advertising program, you need many subscribers, and every video you publish must get views. Many views. Then it all depends on your niche. I mean saying that different niches get different rewards in terms of money. It all depends on how many advertisers invest in that specific niche. Let me make an example by sharing the most paid niches: finance, technology, health, investing, relationship, and business. You have to know that there is high competition in the niches I have just mentioned. And you probably know that you can create videos without sharing your face. Or you can create a channel by being the main attractive character, as I'm doing. It all depends on your business goals. In my case, I want to sell my expertise, competency, and experience to help people create their business online and sell info products and services. Choosing your niche correctly is fundamental before uploading a single video. Method number 2. Sell affiliate products or services. This is a good method to earn money with YouTube by selling products or services of third companies or authors. It works like this, and I want to make a real example. The previous week, I recorded a video regarding the best email marketing software for small businesses in 2022. I shared valuable information with my audience based on my experience, and then I spoke about software I have been using since 2015. At the end of the video, I invited the viewer to start the 14-day trial to test the software by clicking the affiliate link below the video. In addition, I stated that I would receive an affiliate commission if someone bought the online software from that link. Transparent and easy. Based on your niche, create a video that solves a problem your target is looking for a solution. Share your point of view regarding that topic and invite your audience to buy something related to the argument you have shared. One important thing: treat your viewers and followers like pure gold. Do not sell something you don't believe in, and do not sell shit to them only to make money. Please, treat them with respect. Method number 3. Sell your info products. Selling info products means offering your target audience your expertise in exchange for money. Types of info products are video courses, consultancy, mentoring programs, speeches, live events, and streaming live events. I love this way of monetizing knowledge and experience. You don't have to ship anything in the world, no physical items, and you get 100% profit from your sales. Plus, with the upcoming Web 3.0, giving someone else access to your intellectual property is even more exciting. I have been selling information products since 2009. Unfortunately, I started in Italy, my native country, and only in January 2022 I decided to create my international presence to impact millions of people. Practically, I'm starting from scratch because no one knows me in the international market. Selling information products requires different abilities, which is why I created this YouTube channel, to help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing your knowledge and experience, or helping other people share their knowledge and expertise. And I'm 100% sure I can help you create a profitable info business. Since I spoke about digital products in the last method I mentioned, I recommend you watch this video: 5 best digital products to sell online in 2022 if you want to create a profitable info business. In addition, I want to give you my perspective on the info business market and how it is evolving, especially with the upcoming Web 3.0. So, watch it now!